Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best garbage disposal continuous feed compact unit on the market, the Moen Prep Series Pro GXP50C. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or replacing an old disposal system, this little powerhouse might just be the perfect fit. Let's break down what makes it so special. Let's kick things off with design. The GXP50C has a compact, space-saving design that's ideal for tight under-sink areas. At just the right size, it doesn't hog your cabinet space, leaving plenty of room for storage. This makes it a top choice for smaller kitchens or anyone looking to maximize their under-sink real estate. Power is what really sets this unit apart. It features a Vortex permanent magnet motor that spins at a lightning-fast 2,600 RPM. It means quick, efficient grinding of everyday food scraps, and most importantly, less chance of jams. Whether it's leftover pasta, vegetable peels, or small bones, this unit grinds them down in seconds. Another standout feature is its ease of installation. The GXP50C comes with a pre-installed power cord, so if you're replacing an existing unit, even if it's not a Moen, it's a simple swap. No electrical work required. If you've got basic DIY skills, you can have this installed in under an hour. Moen even makes it easier with their fast-track mounting system on newer models. Now, let's talk safety and eco-friendliness. The Moen GXP50C is septic safe, meaning it can be used with properly sized septic systems. This is a big deal if you're off the main sewage grid. And because it reduces food waste going to landfills, it's a greener solution for your kitchen. Fewer garbage bags, less mess, and less environmental impact. Durability is another major plus here. Moen backs this model with a 5-year limited warranty that includes in-home service. That means if anything goes wrong, a technician comes to you. No shipping the unit back, no hassle. That level of support is rare for appliances at this price point. Speaking of price, the GXP50C is a great value. Currently priced at just over $110, it competes with models well above that range in terms of features and build quality. It's also available in multiple horsepower options if you're looking for something a bit more or less powerful, but the 1/2 HP variant is perfect for most households. One thing to keep in mind is that this unit operates at 115 volts, so if you're purchasing internationally, say, for use in India, you might need a voltage converter. Always double-check your local compatibility before installation. If you're wondering whether there's a newer version of this model, there is. The GT50C is an updated variant featuring Moen's fast-track technology, but both models perform similarly when it comes to grinding power and reliability. So here's the final verdict. The Moen Prep Series Pro GXP50C offers a perfect balance of performance, convenience, and price. It's compact, powerful, and designed with the user in mind. Whether you're dealing with daily food scraps or hosting a dinner party, this disposal can handle the mess with ease. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with one of the most reliable disposals on the market, the Moen GXP50C is an easy recommendation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more expert reviews and product deep dives. Only here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.